Alright guys, here we go. I'm throwing a deep diving jerkbait. A deep diving jerkbait, guys. It is windy out here. It's got to be about 6:30 right now. It's starting to get dark. It's very, very windy. So I'm throwing a deep diving jerkbait because I want this thing getting down. A lot of these fish right now with the wind and the cold front are going to be down or holding tight to structure. So it's not that deep over here, but it's, you know, 4 feet, 6 feet. So I want to get down there. Plus I'm about 8 feet up from the ground. So there we go. You see that, guys? Nice smallmouth. Nice smallmouth. Here we go, guys. How am I gonna get this fish in? If I'm 8 feet up, how am I gonna get this fish in? Keep it pinned, right, guys? Keep it pinned with the rod, right? I wasn't even reeling, guys. This is a nice fish. This is a nice fish. Nice fish. I want to show you guys something here. This is key. This is key right here, okay? I'm using a light action rod, okay? Something ripped this guy's mouth. My God. A light action rod, right? Somebody set the hook way too tight on this guy. But a heavy rod nevertheless, probably. So look, this is the key right here. You see that? A light action rod with a light wire hook. Okay, I just climbed down, I don't know, 8 feet to get this fish, and I wasn't even reeling. But the key is, if you're using a light wire hook that's sticky, this thing just really penetrates the fish with very little you know, leverage. That's a nice smallmouth. Nice fish right there, heavy. Nice big belly on that fish. Beautiful. So that was on the Deep Diving X Nanahan. Okay, Deep Diving X Nanahan is how I just got that fish. Uh-oh. I got trees falling here. Whoa! A tree just fell or something. Tree branch just fell. I got a dead tree over here. I gotta be careful. I got a dead tree right there. I got a tree branch that just fell into the roadway up there. But we're gonna stay down here, keep an eye out. So, whew! I got a hat on, guys. It's windy over here, windy, and these fish are aggressive. So like I said, we got cold front, we got windy conditions, right? I'm throwing a deep diving jerkbait. Why? Because I want to get down deep, and a lot of these fish are holding tight to cover with this cold front and the wind. So getting down deep is important. Even though the river's down about 3 feet, I want to get down as deep as I can. But that was a good catch right there. I had to climb down 6 feet from over here to get that fish. And when I was, you know, coming down this ledge here, I wasn't even reeling. Wasn't even reeling because, you know, I had to use my arms for balance. So nice far cast out there with the light action rod, right? Moderate action bend. 8-pound fluorocarbon, guys, 8-pound. That was a nice fish. I've caught in a fish like that before that had half of his face ripped open. I remember a fish like that. I don't know if that's the same fish, but I remember a fish exactly like that. All right, so here, let's see. We got a, oh, what is that? Whoa, what is that? I don't know what this is, but it's swimming towards us. Whoa, big. Oh, that's a big carp or a golden carp, golden koi, right there. Man, was that big. I'm talking realistically 2.5 feet, maybe 3 feet, but I think it was that golden koi that was in here. That right over here, guys. But I got a big boulder in the water right here by me. Big boulder right here, which I'm gonna work. But I saw that big koi. I'm calling it a koi because he was like golden, swimming up the river. And when I casted near, like past him, and then I retrieved towards him, he swam away downriver. That's what he did. So we're fishing the deeper section with the Deep Diving Jerkbait, and we're getting fish. So I think I've only been here, I don't know, 10 minutes. You know, I don't know how much longer I'm gonna stay out here, but oh, what was that? Was that boulder I hit? The boulder's right over here. Boulder is right over here, guys. Yeah, I'm hitting leaves. See, I gotta stay, I want to try to stay away from the middle of the river, because that's where the current is and that's where all the leaves are. So if I stay near the bank, there's not too many leaves. It's more towards the center. So what I'll do is I'll stay near the bank. That was a nice smallie. I think I got a leaf here. Yeah. Got a leaf here. So like I said, I'm throwing a Deep Diving X Nanahan jerkbait, deep diver with the big bill. That'll get me down 7 feet, maybe 8 feet, you know, with light line, and you know, really reeling it down. It's not 8 feet here, but it's definitely 4 or 5 feet, maybe 6 feet in certain areas. But that fish, yeah, he hit that jerkbait, and you know, I was high up on the rocks above me, and I had to find a way to get down here without losing my balance and falling. But we did it. We had the fish pinned. With a moderate action rod and a fine wire hook, sticky hooks. I don't know what the hell's going on over here. We got a big tree must have fell over here, because every car's running over it. That carp or koi was big. That was a big boy. And it reminded me of that golden koi I got a video on much further up the river. Is it possible that was him? 1000% possible. 1000%. This is the deeper area. A lot of these fish are moving out of the shallows towards the deeper sections, which is where I'm at now. All right, let's see if we can make a few casts over here without hooking a leaf. Got a big boulder over here I'm coming up on. Big boulder. This thing's running down. Whew. This thing's down 2 feet when I'm bringing it right back to the bank. This thing's getting down there. All right, guys, we got one fish, maybe a couple more casts, and we're gonna call it for tonight. I gotta get dinner and get some dinner. So let's see, a couple more casts, and we're gonna call it a night. It's starting to get dark out, and see what we can do. We got a couple more casts here. Man, is that thing getting down deep. God. I kind of don't even like throwing this here because of all the debris. And, you know, with the river being down low, this thing's like riding bottom. Riding bottom. Oh, oh, oh! Something hit me. Hold on here. Hold on here. Gotta get this tree in here. Hold on here. Hold on here. Okay, we got that out. I felt something hit me. And I went to go set and I hit this tree. Something hit me. Oh! You see that jump out of the water over there? That was a carp. Right out of the water. Something hit me over here. We're gonna give it a couple more casts over here. See if we can get this fish here that hit me. I'm almost certain that was the fish. This thing's running deep, my God. My God. Here we go. Let's see if we can get that, whatever hit me. Something hit me. I felt it. Oh, I feel something down there. I feel rock. Oh, there we go. Something hit me, guys. Something hit me, guys. Hold on, buddy. So this is... Oh, hold on here. Hold on. Get my hand in your mouth and I can help you. See what I'm saying, guys? Sticky hooks. Sticky hooks, guys, is what it's all about. He swipes at it like Swiper from Dora Explorer. You guys remember Dora? We're going way back. Dora the Explorer. Swiper. This guy swiped at it and look, it's on the side of his face. It's very important to have upgraded sticky hooks, guys, with the right rod. I can't even get this hook out. You see this? There we go. Nice little smallmouth on the X-Nanahan Deep Diver. Good fish there. So, like I said, I don't know if that was the fish, but I felt something. Something nailed me. All right, we'll give it 2 more casts and we're getting out of here. Figure I'd spend 20 minutes, maybe a half hour fishing. Got to untangle this here. And I want you guys to remember this. When you guys are fishing in the winter, I'm talking about the colder. Once the water temperature drops below 50 degrees, 40, right, in the 40s. Once it drops below 50, you got to slow down. I don't care what bait you're using, you got to slow down. You can throw a jerk bait, but you got to be real slow with it, letting it sit there. And another thing, these fish are going to be very lethargic in the winter time. So it's going to be like, don't horse the fish in. Don't go crazy with the hook set. Don't, you know, these fish are going to be, basically just reeling in, and the fish is going to come in with you, even a big fish. They're very lethargic and very inactive. Once his water temperature drops down into below 50 degrees, they get very, very lethargic. So it's important not to horse the fish in. They're not going to be, what do we got here? Snagged over here. See if I can get this out. See if I can get this out. Oh. It's deep here. About 4 feet down here, deep. Yeah, it's deep here. I'm gonna have to go around here. Hold on, guys. Going around bushes here, trying to get my X-Nanahan back. Trying to get my X-Nanahan back. See, the problem is, this thing rides real deep, guys, and it's like 4 or 5 feet right here by the bank. Yeah, I got it. I got it. All right, one more cast, guys. One more cast right by this boulder. One more cast and we're out of here. We're not going to push our luck. That's it, last cast. Like I said, this thing's diving deep. It's deep here where I'm at, and some areas, it's 2 feet, 3 feet. Some areas it's 6. Oh, something hit that. Something just hit this right over here. I saw him take it. Something just hit that right over here, right by the bank. Something just hit this. All right, we'll give it a couple more casts here, because I just saw the fish take it and I didn't set the hook. It's deep here. Whew. Oh, there's that fish. There is that golden fish right here. Even in the dark, I can see this. It's got to be him. Got to be him. He's swimming right here. It's like a golden koi trout. Not golden koi trout. Looks like a golden koi, but he's right here, right there. There he is, right there. Right over here, coming on in. Here he is, right here. Swimming back that way now. Right there, he's right there. Right by this big boulder. That's him. One last cast, guys. And I said that how many times? One last cast. All right, we're done. One more for good measures. One more for good measures, guys. All right, we're done. That's it. All right, guys. Like I said, it was really windy tonight. Getting dark right now. Got to go eat dinner. I decided to fish deeper, and fish towards the bank where the wind was blowing, fishing hard structure. And you know, we got two smallmouth. I don't know, two smallmouth in a matter of 25 minutes. I don't know what time it is, but we did all right. All right, guys, have a good night, and we'll talk to you later.